In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a marketing dashboard in Hubspot. Setting up a marketing dashboard can significantly enhance how you track and analyze your marketing campaigns, providing you with essential insights into performance and success metrics. Whether you're aiming to keep an eye on key indicators or present data in a digestible format for stakeholders, this guide will walk you through the process in just 5 minutes. A well-designed dashboard can save hours of manual reporting and help your team focus on what really drives results. First, we'll begin by heading over to the Hubspot homepage, open your web browser, and type in hubspot.com. Once the page loads, you're looking at a gateway to comprehensive business tools designed for marketing, sales, and more. Next, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the page. Here you'll find a login button. Go ahead and give that a click. If you're not already logged into your Hubspot account, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have access to your account details, as it's the gateway to harnessing the power of dashboards within the platform. Double check that you're using the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Hubspot accounts for different teams or clients. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot homepage. This is where all the magic happens. A simple, clean interface will greet you with a range of options tailored to help you manage your business needs. Now it's time to navigate to the reporting section. This is a crucial step as it lays the foundation for your dashboard creation. Look for the reporting tab, which should be easily accessible within the menu options displayed. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click to open up a more detailed view. Within the reporting section, direct your attention to the dashboards option. This is where you can begin managing or creating the dashboard you desire. Click on Dashboards to proceed to the dedicated area for dashboard-related activities. Once you're in the Dashboard section, you'll see an option to create a dashboard. Click this to initiate the process of building a new dashboard. It's an intuitive process and provides multiple options to ensure your dashboard reflects the data you prioritize. You can also choose to clone existing dashboards, which can save time if you want a template similar to previous setups. After clicking Create Dashboard, the next step involves selecting the type of dashboard you want. Our focus today is on crafting a marketing dashboard, so simply click on Marketing. This choice will tailor your dashboard to fit various marketing performance metrics, making it simpler to track efforts or strategize your next campaign. Consider adding widgets that track key metrics such as website traffic, email, open rates, lead generation, and social engagement. This ensures a comprehensive overview at a glance. And there you have it, a straightforward and swift guide to creating a marketing dashboard in Hubspot. Happy dashboarding!